Maintaining a healthy brain is important for overall well-being and cognitive function. Engaging in regular brain exercises can help keep your brain sharp and healthy. Here are some brain exercises that you can try. Stress management. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on brain function. Find ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Puzzles and games. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, jigsaw puzzles, and other brain teasers are great for keeping your brain engaged and challenged. Reading. Reading stimulates the brain and improves cognitive function. Whether you prefer fiction or non-fiction, reading regularly can help keep your brain healthy. Learning a new skill. Learning a new skill, such as a language, musical instrument, or a new hobby, can help improve cognitive function and promote the growth of new neural pathways. Physical exercise. Physical exercise not only helps maintain overall health but also improves brain function. Exercise stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which promotes the growth and survival of neurons. Nutrition. A healthy diet can help to support brain function. Aim to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Meditation. Meditation has been shown to improve brain function, including memory and attention span. Regular meditation practice can also reduce stress and anxiety, which can be harmful to brain health. Socializing. Socializing with friends and family can help keep your brain healthy by stimulating communication and interaction. Socializing has been shown to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Brain training programs. There are a variety of brain training programs available that are designed to improve cognitive function. These programs include activities such as memory exercises, attention training, and problem-solving tasks. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health, including brain function. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help keep your brain functioning at its best. Remember that it's important to challenge your brain regularly to keep it healthy and functioning at its best. Incorporating a variety of different brain exercises and activities into your daily routine can help to keep your brain sharp and healthy. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.